With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question is if a vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector is equal to 0 and mod of a vector is equal to 6, mod of b vector is equal to 3 and mod of c vector is equal to 2, then angle between a vector and b vector is. Now let's come to our solution. So here we have a vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector is equal to 0. Now to solve this, let angle between a vector and b vector is equal to alpha and b vector and c vector is equal to beta and c vector and a vector is equal to gamma, and we know that x vector dot y vector is equal to mod of x into mod of y into cos theta, where theta is angle between x vector and y vector. Now here given expression is a vector plus 2b vector plus 3c vector is equal to 0. So here if we multiply both side by b vector, then we get a vector into b vector plus 2b vector into b vector plus 3 into c vector into b vector is equal to 0 into b vector is 0. Now by using this formula, in place of a vector dot b vector, we can write mod of a vector mod of b vector into cos theta. So write it here, that is mod of a vector into mod of b vector into cos alpha plus 2 into mod of b square plus 3 into mod of c vector mod of b vector into cos beta is equal to 0. And here in the question we have the value of mod of a vector, that is 6, mod of a vector is 6 and mod of b vector is 3, mod of b vector is equal to 3 and mod of c vector is equal to 2. So put these values in this expression. So here mod of a is 6, mod of b is 3, so 6 into 3 is 18 cos alpha plus, now here mod of b square, so mod of b is 3, so whole square of 3 is 9, so 2 into 9 is 18 plus, here mod of c is 2, mod of b is 3, so 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 3 is 18 cos beta is equal to 0. So here we can write it as 18 cos alpha plus 18 cos beta is equal to minus of 18, and let this equation number first. Now here we get this equation when we multiply this by b vector. So here when we multiply it by a vector, then here we get, that is a vector into a vector plus 2 into b vector into a vector plus 3 into c vector into a vector is equal to 0. So here a vector is 6, so a vector into a vector is whole square of a vector. A vector is 6, so whole square of 6 is 36 plus, now here in place of b vector dot a vector we can use this formula, that is mod of b vector into mod of a vector into cos alpha. So here mod of a vector is 6, mod of b vector is 3, so 6 into 3 is 18 and 18 into 2 is 36, so here we get 36 cos alpha. Similarly here, now again we use this formula, that is x vector dot y vector is equal to mod of x into mod of y into cos theta. So here mod of c vector into mod of a vector into cos alpha. So here mod of c is 2, mod of a is 6, so 6 into 2 is 12 and 12 into 3 is 36 cos gamma is equal to 0. and we can write it as 36 cos alpha plus 36 cos gamma is equal to minus of 36, and if we multiply both sides by 36 then we get cos alpha plus cos gamma is equal to minus of 1, and let this equation number second. Now if we multiply this expression with c, then here we get, that is a vector dot c vector plus 2 into b vector dot c vector plus 3 into c vector dot c vector is equal to 0. Now to solve a vector dot c vector we again use this identity. So here mod of a vector into mod of c vector into cos gamma plus 2 into mod of b vector into mod of c vector into cos beta plus 3 into mod of whole square of c vector is equal to 0. Now here in the question we have a vector that is 6 and c vector is 2, so 6 into 2 is 12, so it is 12 cos gamma plus 2 into, now here b vector is 3 and c vector is 2, so 3 into 2 is 6 cos beta plus, here mod of c vector is 2, so whole square of 2 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12 is equal to 0, and we can write it as 12 cos gamma plus 12 cos beta is equal to minus 12, and when we multiply both sides by 12 then we get cos gamma plus cos beta is equal to minus of 1, and let this equation number third. Now see here, if we multiply this equation both side by 18 then here we get cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus 1. So in place of this, let this equation number first. So here we have three equation. Now add equation first and second. So here first equation is cos alpha plus cos beta, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to minus 1 plus cos alpha plus cos gamma, that is equal to minus 1. So after adding this we get 2 cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to minus 2. Now see here, in place of cos beta plus cos gamma, by using third equation we can write it as minus 1. So write it here, that is 2 cos alpha plus minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So here we get 2 cos alpha is equal to minus 2 and plus 1 is minus 1. So here value of cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. So from here value of alpha is equal to 120 degree. What is alpha? That is angle between a vector and b vector. So here angle between a vector and b vector is equal to 120 degree, and this is our required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.